Trying to figure out which permissions are needed to access certain NetSuite features can be a daunting task. Here's one tool to quickly help identify which permissions are needed. In this example, the cases escalated KPI is not an available selection for a user in the warehouse operations role. To identify which permission is needed, log in using a role with known access to the KPI, the admin role, for example. Now navigate to the KPI in question and click on the report link itself. Copy the URL and log into the role having the issue. Paste the URL at the top browser and hit enter. You will receive a pop-up containing the permission needed to access the KPI. Once you add the KPI to the user's role, they will be able to select the cases escalated KPI.